Alright, you've got the basics down. You can compose a decent email, avoid glaring errors, and resist the urge to CC everyone on that grocery list you were writing up. Now, let's talk about taking your email game to the next level. Because in the chaotic world of overflowing inboxes, good isn't good enough. You need to be strategic. First up, inbox management. Think of it as inbox optimization. This is more than just deleting spam, though that's essential. It's about taking control of your inbox, prioritizing messages effectively, and using tools and techniques to maximize your efficiency. Are you using folders and labels to categorize emails? Are you setting up filters to automatically sort incoming messages? Are you scheduling specific times to process email? Or are you letting your inbox dictate your day? These are the questions that separate email amateurs from pros. Then there's the art of the follow-up. You sent a crucial email, but you haven't received a response. What's your move? Do you send a passive-aggressive, just checking in ... email? Do you bombard them with multiple follow-ups? No. You craft a polite, professional, and concise follow-up that reiterates the key information and provides a clear call to action, and you exercise patience. Timing is everything. Let's also address email and conflict. Email can often become a battleground for disagreements. Tensions can escalate, tones can be misconstrued, and before you know it, you're in an email war. The crucial point here is to recognize when email is not the right medium for resolving conflict. If things are getting heated or complex, pick up the phone or schedule a meeting. Email is best for conveying information. Face-to-face or voice communication is best for resolving conflict. Sending an email when it's inappropriate sends more than just a written message. It tells the recipient, whether you meant it or not, that they're not worth a face-to-face conversation. Absence of an email can be just as bad. For instance, you just had a meeting, phone call, hallway drive-by, whatever, and important things were discussed. Drop a follow-up email. Was great to speak with you. Here's what we discussed. Here's what we decided. Let me know if there are any questions. Keep it simple, but document it. Or it didn't happen. Or worse, it's up to memory and interpretation. Finally, I've got to give a plug to email security. In today's digital world, security threats are a real concern. You need to be aware of the risks and take precautions to protect yourself and your organization. Are you using strong, unique passwords? Are you cautious about clicking on links or opening attachments from unknown senders? Are you familiar with your company's email security policies? Being careless with email security can have serious consequences. Mastering advanced email strategies is what distinguishes the good from the exceptional. It's about being proactive, strategic, and consistently striving for greater efficiency and effectiveness. So, embrace the challenge and become an email master. Practice makes perfect, Grasshopper.